Did you know that the ancient Greeks believed that sneezing was a sign from the gods? They thought it was a blessing from the gods, so they would say, "Bless you," after someone sneezed to ward off evil spirits. In medieval Europe, people believed that sneezing could predict the future. If you sneezed once, it meant good luck was on the way, but if you sneezed twice, it was a sign of bad luck. And in some cultures, people believed that a sneeze was the soul trying to escape the body, so they would hold their breath to keep it in. Isn't that sneeze-tastic?